Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Anamika Katara, and let's learn something new today.
So in today's video, we are going to talk about binary operators in Java. So the first of all, it is assignment operators. We can see the symbol of assignment operator. It is symbolized by this equal to operator symbol, and an example is also given here. The value which is given in this side will be assigned to the x if we use this operator like this. If you want to have a complete equation with more than one operators or a long operation is going on, and if you assign it, then also it will work on. So that's what we call a single assignment. On the other hand, a multiple assignment is also given here. Suppose I want to assign a value 30 in integer c, integer b, as well as an integer a within one sentence. So this is the way I can assign it to each. Let's move ahead for the next one, which is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator has totally 5 types in in this binary operation series, and the first one is addition. We know about it, and the second one is minus or subtraction. The third symbol, which is asterisk, is used for multiplication, and the division is denoted by this sign, which is forward slash. And the fifth one, which seems to be a modular sign, it gives us a reminder of two values. Let us suppose I want to use 5 modulus 2, so I'll get the result 1. You must be thinking, how? If I divide 2 and 5, I'll get the remainder as 1. So that's how I can get the remainder with the help of this operator as well. So let's move ahead for the next one. The third one is relational operators. There are the symbols of relational operator. The first one is double equal sign, which is used for checking. If you want to compare two of the things, then you can compare it with this symbol. And this is not equal to operator, which is used to check the condition whether the thing is not equal or not. This statement or this operation may give the true result if the condition is not true. And yes, this is greater than, as we use in mathematics, same for the less than, and greater than equals to. Here both of the conditions should be true. Either the value of left thing to the right thing should be greater than or equal to, and same for the less than equal to. Either the values should be greater than or equal to. In any of the case, if it gets true, the result of these operators will be given by true. So the next one is Boolean operators. In the sense of Boolean operators, there are three symbols. The first one is double and this double or sign and not operator. In double and, this is also called logical AND operator. This is used for having both of the conditions true. Suppose I have a value I equals to 5, and I have the second value j equals to 2, and if we know that both of the statements which are declared before using this logical and operators are true, and if I apply it first here I is equal to 5 and second here j is equal to 2, then this statement will give true result, or the whatever the statements will be followed by the braces of this statement, or if a statement will be going through the compilation and running. And on the other hand, what we have this logical or operator. In any of the condition from both of the side of this operator gets true, then the execution of this operator will work on. Usually these both of the operators, logical operators, are used with if statement, and the work executes if the conditions gets true. And you can watch the next video, that is part 3 of operators, examples of binary operator. It is explained well there with the help of examples. Here is logical not operator. Logical not operator just changes true to false and false to true. If you want to just make the condition opposite, you can use this operator, and the false will be true and true result will be false. And the third one is Boolean logical operator. The third one is in the fifth one is instance of operator. And in instance of operator, this operator is used only for the project reference variables. It means that if you want to refer to any of the object in any of the class or interface, then this operator is used. Instance of, whether you want to check it is the subclass or superclass or interface class or of any of the variable object or class. So yes, let's move ahead for the next one. The last one is bitwise and bit shift operators. This is the list of all of the operators given here. The first one is single line. This is called binary and operators. It copies a bit to the result if the result exists in both of the operands. Same. If in both of the operands which are in both at both of the sides of this operator gets true, then only this operator copies a bit of it. And the second one is binary or operator. In any If any of the condition gets true to the both of the operands, which is just here and there of this operator, if any of them gets true, then this is going to give the results true. And the last one is not last one, the third one is XOR operator. It just copies the it is called binary XOR operator, copies a bit to the result if it exists in one of the operate but not both. If you are finding any of the condition, if this condition this side condition gets true, then it will give the result true. If this side condition gets true, then it will give the result true. If both of the conditions are true, then it is not going to give the result true. That's why it is called binary XOR operator. And the fourth one is this symbol is called binary ones complement operator. Has the effect of flipping the bits. Suppose if you have stored the number 1 2 3, and if you use this symbol, so the result is going to be 3 2 1. And let's move ahead for the next one. This is binary left shift operator. Suppose you have taken an array and you have stored the values 1 2 3, and for the first place it is 1, for the second place it is 2, for the third place it is 3, but now you want to add at first place 0, and you want to shift all the 1 2 3s on the second third fourth positions. So you can use this operator, and this will give the space at the first, and rest of the numbers or values will be shifted a bit to the left side. If you want to shift the bits to the right side, you can use this symbol. And let's go ahead for this one. This is shift right zero fill operator. Suppose if you do not want to fill anything in that, and you just want to get shifted the columns to right of the side, but the blanks which will be made by this shift right zero operator, you want to fill them with 0, so it will be filled with 0. That they will not be overlapped or overloaded. The left blanks will be filled by 0, which are moved by shift right zero fill operator. So that is it about today's video, and I hope that you will watch the next part for understanding the examples of this whole presentation and binary operators. Whole example run and execution is given in the part 3rd.
Thank you for watching my video completely. Please like, subscribe, share, and your suggestions are always welcome in the comment box. Bye bye.